hardly used a pencil today without thinking about where it came from. Behind every single
Pencil production starts with cedar because it's lightweight, durable, and soft enough to sharpen smoothly. Shaped into pencils, every layer of bark has to be removed completely. Once the bark is removed, the cedar is cut into long, precision planks. Every slice must stay perfectly straight.
Fresh cedar contains natural moisture that must be carefully controlled.
The cedar now passes through carefully controlled drying chambers. Reducing the wood's moisture prevents future warp.
Every cedar plank is scanned exact dimensions before it moves deeper into production. Even slight variations are automatically removed by the inspection system in milliseconds.
After drying and inspection, cedar planks are now fully ready for slat milling. Each bundle is carefully tracked. To create the graphite core, powdered graphite and clay are precisely blended in massive rotating mixers. The blended graphite is extruded into long, continuous rods, each one perfectly uniform. This step ensures.
Now in slow motion, you can see each graphite core glide into alignment, ready for.
The graphite cores pass through high-temperature drying ovens, removing any residual moisture. This step is
After drying, each graphite core is meticulously inspected for uniformity and straightness. Even the
differentials. Once cooled, each graphite core is carefully placed into trays, ready to be paired with the precisely.
Fully inspected and cooled, these graphite cores are now ready to be.
After cutting, each cedar slat is carefully inspected and aligned, ready to move on to sanding and finishing. The sanding process ensures each slat is perfectly smooth, removing any imperfections and preparing it for graphite insertion. Once milled, the cedar slats are carefully stacked and organized, ready for quality checks before graphite insertion. Every slat is checked with precision tools to guarantee uniform thickness, ensuring the pencil will feel perfect in every hand. With perfectly milled cedar slats now ready, we move on to the next stage, combining them with.
Now, the pencil begins to take shape as cedar slats and graphite cores are brought together on the assembly line.
A precise layer of adhesive binds the cedar slats firmly to the graphite, ensuring durability and alignment.
Hydraulic presses fuse the slats and graphite securely, giving the pencil its initial structural integrity.
Once pressed, the pencils advance toward precise trimming machines, ready for exact sizing.
Trimming ensures every pencil is exactly the same length, ready for the finishing touches.
With each pencil now perfectly aligned and trimmed, they are ready to receive their finishing coat of lacquer for durability and shine. Now, the pencils glide through lacquering tunnels, receiving a glossy coating that protects the wood and graphite.
The precise spray ensures an even finish, enhancing both aesthetics and durability.
Once lacquered, pencils are placed on racks to dry, ensuring the coating hardens evenly. Distinctive paint stripes are applied to designate pencil types and grades.
Each pencil is carefully checked to ensure paint coverage and consistency meet factory standards.
After lacquer and paint, pencils are carefully sharpened to precise specifications.
Inspectors ensure each pencil meets strict standards for tip sharpness and balance.
Advanced scanners check every pencil for uniformity, color, and sharpened precision. Only pencils that meet exacting standards move forward to packaging. After inspection, pencils are ready to move seamlessly into packaging, marking the next step in their journey. Next, pencils are guided into packaging trays, ready for labeling and final shipment. Each tray receives a carefully printed label, ensuring correct branding and grade information. Stacks are carefully organized, ensuring smooth handling in the next packaging stage. Shrink wrapping protects the pencils, keeping them safe and clean for shipment. Stacked trays move seamlessly toward the final labeling and shipment stage. Finally, each tray receives barcodes and batch numbers for inventory tracking. With labeling complete, pencils are now fully packaged and ready for delivery worldwide. Before leaving the factory, every carton undergoes a final inspection for quality and consistency. Each shipment is verified to ensure every pencil reaches customers in perfect condition. Verified pallets are now staged for transport, ready to leave the factory.
Okay, lift it steady. Clear on both sides.
Each shipment is loaded carefully, ready for distribution to stores worldwide.
From raw materials to finished products, the journey of every pencil is complete, ready to inspire creativity worldwide.
As the day ends, workers ensure machines are safely powered down and the workspace is tidy. Every panel and surface is cleaned meticulously to maintain a safe and efficient workspace.
The cleaning trolley carries all necessary supplies to maintain hygiene standards across the factory floor.
Every corner is swept, ensuring the next production day start in perfect condition.
All tools and equipment are stored neatly, ready for the next shift.
Final checks confirm all equipment is safe and ready for the next production cycle.
After a day of precision and dedication, each worker takes a moment to reflect on the results of their craft. Every detail matters. Even the smallest tool contributes to the flawless production of each pencil.
Final calibrations ensure every pencil meets exacting standards before leaving the facility.
From raw materials to finished pencils, every step reflects skill, care, and dedication. Every pencil tells a story of precision, care, and craftsmanship in motion. From raw cedar and graphite to the pencils we hold every day, this is the journey of craftsmanship and precision. From raw materials to ready-to-use tools, each pencil carries the story of its creation.
Remember that close up at the very start? Now you see exactly what it became, this.
Every pencil now ready, representing the culmination of expertise, precision, and care.
What began as raw cedar and graphite is now a tool that will inspire creativity, a journey completed.